There is a distinction to be made between the practice of tranquility meditation and the practice of Mahamudra, particularly in regard to how thoughts are viewed and treated. In the practice of tranquility meditation, thoughts are basically viewed as enemies, and we want to eliminate them somehow, sometimes using the effective antidotes employed in tranquility meditation. In the practice of Mahamudra, we do not do this because whatever aspect of mind we are talking about, the 8 consciousnesses, the alaya consciousness, the afflicted consciousness, the mental consciousness, or the 5 sensory consciousnesses, there is a clarity or lucidity that arises in these various ways as mental events, as types of consciousness. When we look directly at the mind, that is the basis of this clarity, it seems to be nothing. We don't see any solid thing. Yet there is a clarity.